There's a buzz on the internet that USCIS has recently been cracking down hard on EB1A cases involving fake publications, paid awards, and shady judging roles. It says that they have even revoked previously approved EB1A cases. Let's be real, this isn't really new, and USCIS has always done this in the past as well. I've made another video on this topic, check it out on the channel, but more about this later. Hi, I'm Saiman Shetty, founder of Smart Green Card and an EB1A recipient myself. Over the past few years, our Smart Green Card program has helped over 200 professionals achieve their EB1A goals through ethical, strategy-driven support. So let's get straight to the topic. When you apply for the EB1A, USCIS doesn't really just look at your documents. They verify, they dig deep, they assess whether your profile truly reflects an extraordinary nature or an ability, and if it was built using shortcuts or it was evolved legitimately. And if they discover fraudulent or misleading evidence, they can cancel your approved I-140 as well. Yes, revocation even after approval is a possibility. Now, let's walk through some common red flags that could get your EB1A revoked or denied. Firstly, fake or totally outsourced publications. To qualify for the scholarly articles EB1A criteria, you must author your own papers and get them published on credible platforms. But here's the problem. Some applicants submit papers they don't usually write themselves. They just outsource them, slap their name on it, and then submit them as proof or evidence. That's literally fraud, and we keep yelling at Smart Green Card on the top of our voices that you should be the author of your papers if you are saying that you are the author of your paper. If USCIS finds out whether during processing or later a fraud investigation, they can probably revoke your petition. Worse, it could permanently damage your immigration record. At Smart Green Card, we never ghostwrite any papers for anyone, and we heavily discourage anybody out there watching our YouTube videos from ghostwriting or outsourcing the authoring of your papers. We help you choose the right topics, we guide you on how to write, and we also suggest where to submit. We kind of liaison the publication process as well, but the work should be 100% yours. That's the ethical line, and we stick to it. Number 2, paid awards. Let's say you bought a top researcher certificate online for $300. No competition, no judging, there's no evaluation of your work that has gone through. You just pay to play, and it's just payment that got you the award. That's not a real award. It is a vanity certificate. I mean, think about it. What did you do that caused you to deserve this award? Submitting that as evidence in your EB1A petition can weaken your case, or worse, it can potentially get you revoked. At Smart Green Card, we help you avoid these traps. As part of our VIP plan, we share the potential award opportunities that are vetted to be true and real and are potentially relevant to your field. That is meant to save you research time, not bypass the system. You win the award entirely on your merit, not through us or any shortcuts, and we don't guarantee that you will get the award. There's no way to guarantee that you'll get the award because your profile is evaluated by the awards committee based on its own merits. And we do not encourage or recommend paid or vanity awards. We only share credible options where selection is genuinely competitive. Number 3, there's the judging opportunities that matter. Same with judging. USCIS expects the judging roles to come from credible platforms for you to be invited based on your recognized expertise. If you just paid to become a judge and didn't actually review anything, or someone else reviewed for you, that won't really hold up. And that's why in our VIP plan, we only share genuine judging opportunities that we source so painstakingly from multiple sources, such as reviewer calls from reputed journals, hackathon judging, awards judging, competition judging that are legitimate. You apply independently based on your own track record. We do help you out with the bio and other things that you need for your application, but it is you applying independently and getting that award or membership. We don't guarantee any selection, and we never fabricate any credentials. Anybody who is guaranteeing you an award is actually doing something shady, and this should make alarm bells go off in your head left, right, and center. And our role here is to guide, not game the system. And you still need to earn the recognition required for the EB1A. We just help you discover legitimate opportunities faster and play a huge role in the execution so that you can get it done quickly. So what's the takeaway here? See, getting an EB1A green card isn't about buying titles or padding your resume with paid gigs. It's about building a credible, authentic profile that clearly shows your extraordinary ability. And that's exactly what we help you do at Smart Green Card. When you join our VIP plan, we don't just dump templates on you. We analyze your profile and craft a customized strategy based on your strengths to professionally evolve your profile from a point that it is at right now to a point where you're genuinely a thought leader in your space. You get a personalized action plan to meet at least 5 of those criteria, if not more. Most of our clients have more than 6 criteria when they apply. And a thorough support for final merits, because final merits is not something that you do at the end. It is the fundamental bedrock of your entire process, and it needs to get paid attention throughout the process. And this can only happen when we painstakingly comb through it with a fine-tooth comb to identify what are the things that can be built legitimately from a profile building standpoint. There's also custom research that we do for judging opportunities, memberships, awards, and a lot more. There's organic press in national and international outlets that's relevant to your field. And I did a big piece on what is organic press versus paid press in another video. Just go check that out. But yes, we do help out with organic press pieces in national or international outlets relevant to your field. There's also paper publishing support, a smart dashboard to track progress, one-on-one strategy calls that we frequently have, and also direct WhatsApp support to make sure that you're on top of your game at all points in time. And when you're done with your profile building, your professional profile building through your career, we then loop in trusted US attorneys that we work within the Smart Green Card program. These are credible law firms and lawyers that we partner with, and they extend good discounted rates for case writing and filing. They take over the legal representation, the legal advice, the case writing, and the filing of your application. So if you're serious about your EB1A future, don't take any shortcuts. Build it right, do it once, do it smart. Join our VIP plan and let's craft a strong, honest case. No fluff, no shortcuts. And it's just about your extraordinary abilities presented the right way. Claim your seat now. The link is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. See you in the next one.